This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the partwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 36 of building the legendary Dodge Charger RT from Fast and Furious. Let's, as ever, have a look through the magazine first, and then we'll get with the building. The sounds of Fast and Furious, obviously lots of loud engine noises and things going on in there. Yeah, just loud revving and stuff and things. Audio equipment plays an essential role throughout the entire saga. Yeah, okay. Obviously, it's going to be music as well, I would assume. But no, each vehicle in the franchise is given its own voice. Yeah. You can hear each one individually. The Dodge Polara. That is very reminiscent of the X01 sort of fins and things at the back and stuff. But yeah, a big car with pronounced short tail fins. It's quite pronounced, yeah. It hasn't got them on that. Well, but I can't see them on that. That's interesting. Oh, the 1960 version. And obviously they changed it over the years. Right, the pieces for this stage. We've got some more transmission to do. We're building the rear axle with the differential pieces in there and more screws. And we're also using some parts from previously. We'll put these up on the screen when I come to do them. But first of all, let's finish off the rest of the magazine. Remapping the engine control unit. Yeah, now it's computerized and everything. It's not just a car, it's a computer with wheels. You can change things on the fly, measure them and adapt. Yeah, remapping the ECU allows you to modify numerous engine management parameters. Cool, and obviously you need some sort of thing to scan it and test it and try it. So simulate real conditions, even the road's incline. Enough. That's that. So let's clear the bench, get the parts ready, and see what we're going to be doing. Okay, we've got a big chunking metal axle and a fake differential gearbox because obviously it doesn't go around corners, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to attach this to this. Posts go through there, get it the right way round. So you've got the flat side, this side, and that goes on. That way round, yes, with the tapered piece going there, the shape piece this side. That goes on there like that. That goes on the other side. Not like that though, because that's the wrong way round. Go the right way round, like that. So it all matches up. We're going to use 2 of these KM screws to hold that in place. So we'll get those there. Nice and easy. This is plastic, but the other side of it is metal. It's got like a plastic cover. The bar, the axle is obviously metal as well, because that's going to have the weight of the car going through it. So let's get these down and tightened. And then I need to put this out the way, because we're not doing anything else with this quite yet, not today. But we will be bringing in the rest of the chassis to attach that bit. I don't know why we're doing that now, because I assume because there's very little to do with this. So let me clear that out of the way, get that out of the way. I need to find a couple of other screws for that. Let's see which ones I'm going to need. Need a couple of CM screws, so I'll find those while I am gone. Right, the beast is back. We've got the tube, the hose to attach. Now this is going to be very tricky to sort of show you. It goes into the gold bit that you can see down there that has a free plug on it. I did have something plugged into that. I've had to rearrange and manipulate things. I don't know why or when I got that wrong, but yeah, I've gone back and plugged it in a different section. So this is then going in there. That's going to be fun trying to do. Right. Obviously, you couldn't really have done this any other time other than now, I assume. We could have plugged in the tube when we were playing with the rest of it, I would have thought. Let me use my tweezers that have got the flat rounded bits. It might be easier to play around with. I'm going to play with the other end as well while I'm in there. Actually, I'm going to open the end of that up as well. Give myself all possible chance of this working. Not working. In that in there. There we go. I think. Maybe. There we go. Yep, that's that tube connected on there. So I'm going to be very careful with the rest of that. It just has it sort of coming out and around, not going under anything, which is strange. But there we go. Then it's going under this, which is going on... there. There we go. Right, okay. So that's going on there. I found 2 of the CM screws to attach that. So what I'm going to do is get that loosely attached first. Like so. And then the end of this apparently just goes under and through there and is at the moment loose because the other end of it isn't attached to anything yet. That seems a little bit but there we go. That's what it says. It's probably going to end up going around here and it will be secured enough at the other end. I'm sure it'll be fine. So that's that. That is that, and obviously that we did earlier. So that is stage 36, all completed, good to go. It's getting there. It's adding little bits here and there, and obviously this is going to be the huge back axle down there. We've still got the shaft, which is going to go in there at some point. So yeah, it's all starting to little bits, which hopefully will all get added together very, very shortly. So, a fairly quick, easy build this time round. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you very shortly for the next one. Stay safe and see you soon. Thanks for watching.